Hello and welcome back. This is second tutorial on P5JS or graphics in JS. Now I want to make you to download this file. Here it will automatically download this file, but I don't need it. Has been downloaded now. All this file I have already made the file list here, and these are four five file we will need. This is the index page and minified version and sketch. Now I am using my code editor. This is Atom. You can download in atom.io. Now here I will open this file index. This is already made. We need not to download this because this is library. For this I will continue, and this should be, you would get this with here, I think, create canvas. Now these two files are made. Now you need to, when you download this all file, you need these things to include here. This padding has been included already, so you did not need. You can use this thing there, and it will be easy to use that all the thing. This is P5 minified version. This you will not need now, so I will remove this. Now here this on body part, let's make this sketch.js that you will get with that file we have used like previously on this. Now let's open. I think this should open me on new window browser. No, for this I should open this file to browser. Yes, I will open this. I will copy here. Let's we'll go there and we'll run. No problem in this. Now here first of all we have to create a canvas for this. In this video we are going to make animation on the line. Let's make animation. Let's start here. Now first of all we will create, I think this is create canvas, because there was would not. I will make this 600. There previously it would be bold, something like this, so we were not so confused, but here we will confuse here. Now here I will give background. Here I will give background to, let's make 51. This is default by PA5. Let's make background to be 25 or 52. Anything you can make this. I would like to pick for black one over this. Let open this with, for Chrome. I will use Chrome for this because I can inspect it. Now you can use developer tools so that you would make any console here. Everything is right here, nothing is error. Now let's begin with creating a figure. Now here I will just make this as make a stroke. I'll make this stroke color to 255 white one, and let's draw a line. line I will make 30 comma 20, and I will make lesser one 50 comma 20. I should make this same one, so that I would move like this one, this stately and back, and you can make this upward, downward also same like. Now line has no fill, so let's see what we have got. Yes, it should me line, but it is not giving me line. What happening to it? Yes, I have not saved it. I am slow in. Yes, this is giving me line. I will make this larger and bolder. Stop, wait to 4 5. Anything you can make this I will make 200, and let's make this. For this, let's refresh this. Stop wait. Let's tap this to this, save this and this. Now refresh this. Now this is nicer one. Now I want to move this from this position to this position and this position, something like this. Now just to make what I want to make this is, I want to move something like this. Here we have made this thing we don't need. Now I will create a function called update here. It will show me the every point. Now I have told this it is making us while loop. Now you will get how it is making. Now I will just call this object pdat update mode. Let's global some variable. Here we can let x1, let x2, let y1, and let y2. This y2. Here in setup we can set up all the thing here. Here I will just set x1 to 0 and x2 to, I will make this 200 more. I think I will make this as 80 more, and y1 and y2 should be equal. Let's make this y position to same because we don't need anymore. Y is equal to, I will make pass this to make this to 30 because we will need same y as horizontal. If you are making vertical, then same x. Let's pass this variable here, x1 comma x, sorry for this, y comma x2 comma y, because y2 and y1 are same here. Now update function has nothing to do. Let's switch this and refresh. Now it is at the point of this. I want to move this to this point. When it reaches to this point, and it will back, and again this will be repeated there. Now for this, simply we have to write a code. For this, let's make the update function. For update, I will make this point. Let's first of all move this. When it came to this x1, plus is equal to 1 and x2 plus is equal to 1. Y will be same here and it will draw this. Let's switch this to this and we will. It is not moving. Why it is not moving? Why are you not moving? It is not moving. What the hell it is going to me? I think sorry for this. Update move. I will not close this. Yeah, this is moving. Yeah. Now I will explain what it is going. Let's refresh this. Now when it was in 0 position, now I have add this position. Let's switch this position. When it was in 0 position, here x1 and y2 was in 80 position. If you don't make this, let's comment this and see, then you will bit more clear about this. Let's see. Yeah, this is stretching. This is not actually the video effect or anything. Every animation works like this. Here I am moving that point because I have make that point. Suppose let's go to paint. Suppose I have line on this. I have 2 point here and here. This was previous paint. I have not closed any application till 2-3 days. Then this is on point and this point. To move all these things, we have to change this both coordinate according to what we need. If we want to change the size, then we can change the coordinate differently. If we want to make the size same, then we have to make the coordinate same. Let's see here. Here suppose here is 1 and 2 of x. We want to move this only in x direction. So we have to either plus to both. If I make this 1 here, it will be 2 and here 3. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This distance will be same. So it not just this function, this draw function will repeated and it will call this update move every time. When it is called, it will increase or decrease this x-axis, then it will create an animation effect. This is how all the animation works. The animation are the frame rate. Let's change this frame rate here. Frame rate you can change here like this. If I make this 5, it will be slow because that the previous one was of 52. Yes, sorry, this was 30 to 35 frame rate of previous. Let's make this to 30. Then we will see difference in 30 here. Let's see. Yes, this was, I think this was 32 or something like this. Let's not bother this. You can change the frame rate here. I'll make this 10 so that you will clearly see that. And let's make that color here. Sorry for this, no color. I will make the text box here. On that text box I will make the fill. I will fill this text box with color white 255 and I will not give any stroke, no stroke, and I will make text here. I will display this at 200 comma 200 and the text will be here. This I'll make this text. x1. I am tracking just x1 and y1, sorry, x2 plus, sorry, here I think x1 plus x2. I will calculate this x2 with x2. Here I will provide some space so that we will get, yes, here it will show me what is the x position. Yes, it is giving me point here, it is moving. This is of 600 and 600, so it have to move this 600. Now let's print something on the console, that is, you can this print this like this also, so that you will see this in console. You don't need these things to print on the console. Now I just want to print, what? I will print this on above setup, print wide and print, I think we will not need height. Let's refresh this. Now let's see, this is showing me this position, all the position. Let's see, this is height and weight has been given to us. Now let's it run. We will delete that function from this. For this, where was this? I'll make this text simply. Now here for this move, here I will not make this because it is moving far away from this screen. I think this is here, screen is here, it is moving far away from this screen. I am not saved that one, so it is printing T. Now I want to do is I want to check two things here. If x is equal to 0 or x is less than 0, if this both case happen to me, then I will make global variable here, so that we could make let m is equal to right. It is, first of all we should make it should move to right. Now if this is 0, means the screen is so in this position, suppose this position, then or beside this position we have to push it to right side. Let's make same m is equal to right. You can check this both or this, anything, this sometime this will give me as if x is equal to wide, that we have print above, or x is greater than wide. If this happen, we have to means it is pointing to this point and or this more than this, we have to pull this to right. Sorry for this left. I have just make this. Now after this we have to make on function called I will move direction. Now on move direction, now I will make simply two things. Here I will make function called move direction. I have made this variable global, so I don't need anything. Now if m double equal to, this is something called right, then I could make this. Else if m is equal to left, then I should move to left. Now here we have to make this position to same. Let's x1 plus plus and x2 plus plus. It will increase the value to right. To move right from this point to this, we have to increase x. To move from above, sorry for this, let's make from this. Suppose I have made this. If I want to move this side, then I have to decrease y should be minus here. If I want to move this downward, then y should be plus. If I move to right, then x, this will make this x to positive, and if I move this will be negative. Now I will make this x1 to negative. I should decrease that x2 to negative. Let's see if it printing this. Yes, it is making so big loop. Defined x is not defined here. Sorry for this, I have made something wrong here. X is not defined here. Sorry for this here. This should be x1 and x1, this should be x2, because if we reach the right side of this panel, we have to move. Let's refresh again. It is giving me so lot of time, so I will not able to track that position. Let's remove this frame rate for now. If I have printed anything here, yes, I have print text. Let's move this. It is not giving me text. Yes, now you could see there it will reflect. Let's stay updated for that. Yeah, this is how you can make the animation of playing game. I have made this animation so that we could make some game with this panel. I think that we will make later on that firing game there. Something will be dropped from there, and we can make this point here, and we can fire from here, or we can escape from that object. We can make on game out of that. Now here I have not placed text anywhere. 200 and 200. Yes, it is tracking. If you want to make this slow motion, you can make this, but we have no time. This is how you can move your object with coding. Now in next tutorial we will move this point above right with this mouse movement, not anything. Sorry for this, no mouse movement. We will make this to what we have to do is not, it will not move this like this, but it will move with pressing the key. How much we press, it will stop if we make this. This is, you can make this. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video. For this